Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
Good day guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to design a birthday flyer. So without wasting much of time, let's get into the business of today. So the first thing I have to do is to click on my plus button. And the next thing I click is my gallery. So I'm going to go to where my background is actually. So I used two background here. So this is the first one. I guess this is the first one. So the next I have to do right now is to click on it and click on my relative size. So I'll just increase it. So after increasing it, the next I have to do is to bring it up a little bit, something like this. So after that, I will have to lock it. So after locking it, the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my gallery, go to my pins again, then check the other background because I used to background for it. So I'm not looking for that one. So don't be angry, let's look at that one. So I guess I have seen it and this is the background good. So after that, the next I have to do right now is to click on my left size, then increase it. So after increasing it, just drag it a little bit, something like this. So it's okay like this. So after that, next I have to do right now is to click on it, then I have to click on my opacity. So I have to reduce the opacity a little bit. So I think it is actually okay like this. So after that, the next thing I have to do right now is to lock it also. So after that, the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my plus button. I'm going to click from gallery. So I'm going to bring out the image I use. So let's assume this is the image I use. So the next thing I have to do right now is to place it here. So after placing it, the next thing I have to do right now is to copy it, duplicate it. Then this one that we first brought out, you reduce the opacity. So it's okay like that. So after that, you just come here, then you lock it. So after that, the next thing I have to do right now is to go to my eraser. I have to play this one. This stuff is not useful. It's not useful to me. Good. After that, click on this. Oh, I have mistakenly clicked on what I should not do. So I have to start from back again. You can actually show no. You can actually zoom your work to see what you are doing. So I don't want to make a mistake. So let's go. So I didn't touch the lady. So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring it down here. Bring it down here. So after that, the next thing I have to do right now is to lock it too. So after you lock it, the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my plus button, click on text. So after clicking on text, next thing I have to do is to write my 30th. So 30th. So let's assume I want to write 30th. So I'm reading the 30th. So the next thing I have to do now to go to my font first. So I'm going to change the font to something. So let me check. So I think I use Snail for the font. Snail. Good. So after that, the next thing I have to do right now is to check something. Let me go to my style. Then let me give it this. If it actually works, so it will work. So let me just give it like this. After that, you just click on it. Then you increase the size through here. So after you increase the size through here, the next thing I have to do right now is to go to my color. So it gives you something this. Then you go to your stroke. Then you actually give you something this. So you can see you're actually moving forward. Good. So you can reduce it to 3. So to determine first, not this one, then bring this one up a little bit. Good. So can you see that we're actually moving forward? So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out on that stuff from my gallery. So let me go to my gallery. So I'm going to bring out this from PS, this one actually. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to place it here, rotate it a little bit, then place it here. Good. So you can see we are actually going good. So the next thing I have to do right now is to click my plus button, click on text. Then I'm going to write happy birthday. Something like this. So just write it like this because we are using stylish fonts for it. So after that, you go to your font, then change it to taken by vulture. So this is taken by vulture. My font taken by vulture. Good. So after that, next I have to do right now is to increase it a little bit. So after you increase it, the next thing you have to do is to go to your shadow, enable the shadow. After you enable the shadow, you give it this color, this one that you see, FD8990. So you give it this dark color code. So after that, next thing I'm going to do is to go to your stroke again, give it stroke and give it this. So after that, just reduce it to 1 or 2. 1 is okay. Good. So you can actually reduce it a little bit. Good. Then you place it at the middle. So let me check if the middle will actually work. So the middle will actually work. So I'm going to lock this one actually first. I'm going to lock this one actually. So the next I'm going to write is to click on my text. I'm going to write Mrs. Tayo. Let's assume this is the name of the person. So next I'm going to do is to go to my font. Then I'm going to give it this one actually semi-bold italic. So let me semi-bold italic. So the next I'm going to do is to actually decrease it. We won't allow it to cover the woman face, the one we put on the background. So just do something like this. Then you give it something. So let's assume I want to give something that is good. So let just give it a graded color. So after you give it a graded color, the next thing you have to do right now, so click on text, then you give it, then assume don't just want to do 21. So the next thing I have to do right now is to go to your font. I'm going to give it Beber's name font. Good. So the next I'm going to do is to click on this my zoom button. I'm going to zoom it. Then I'm going to place it here. So you can actually increase this one first, so you can drag it.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.